So we're at another point here in that reassembly going on, and not giving you all the gory details in terms of putting it together, but in terms of how this one's assembled, you can see I set the Zerk towards the driveline in, and then as you're assembling these things with the cups and the needle bearings, you want to make sure that you've got good play on either side. This particular U-joint is, the standard or traditional style, I would say, with the clips on the end of the cup. And so I like to, get one clip set and then finish driving in the opposite cup just deep enough where you can, get into your cup grooves. Now on the drive shaft side, we've got to clean up the yoke totally, but you may be able to see down into the yoke there, there's two grooves, one for the factory plastic that is the retainer for the U-joint, which you saw us melt out in the previous videos, and then the outer groove for that new spring clip to retain the cups for the U-joint once it's set in. And so we'll go ahead and finish cleaning these up and get the U-joint installed back on the rear drive shaft of our 2010 Dodge 3500 Mega Cab 4-wheel drive diesel. Anyway, going along here, use the C-clamp and a ball peen hammer and an impact socket to get the cup set back into the yoke.